Okay, in this video I'm going to try to demonstrate how to update your Java so that you can run the applets in this particular lab and also for future labs. So what I have open in front of me right now is the lab report that you'll download today. And if we go up to the top here, it's telling you running lab applets, follow the instructions at the end of this document to make changes to your security settings. So let's see if we can get this done. So we're going to be using Firefox, and the website we're going to be going to is this one right here, and so I'm going to copy this address, and then I'm going to go open up Firefox. So I'm firing up Firefox, and then I'm going to paste that address into this address column here. Hit return. Alright, so this is the page that we'll be using today in this lab as well as in future labs. So I'm going to go down. I think one of the applets we're using today is this number system, so I'm going to click on that. And hopefully you're going to see something like this. You may also see something when you first fired up Firefox that says to update Firefox. You'll need to do that, unfortunately. But right now we're just focusing on the Java stuff. So I am going to click on this check for updates on Java. And what it does, it gives me this page. And I'm going to go down a ways until I see the Java stuff. And there's this Java runtime environment. It says it's outdated, so I'm going to update now. And it takes me to this page. Now, I haven't done this on this machine before, so I'm hoping I'm going to pick the old one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left-click on Windows Online. For Windows Online. Okay, so I'm going to left-click on that. And I want to save the file. And it's going to save it into my downloads directory, so I'm going to save it there. Okay, great. So now I need to go to that directory, so I'm going to come down here to this folder representation, click on downloads, and so I have this new file sitting here, JRE whatever, so I'm going to double click on that. Okay, welcome to Java, and now I want to install. And let's hope there's going to be a few more messages here. Is it done? We don't know yet, so let's just hang out for a second, see if we get some more information. The fact that my mouse looks like it's acting up a little bit makes me think, yeah, there it goes. And nothing seems to go quickly, so let's just wait. Okay, great. So first thing it's saying is it says I found some out-of-date Java versions, so let's go ahead and uninstall those now. Okay, so now I want to click on Next. Alright, it says I have successfully installed Java. Well, that's cool. Hopefully that's really the case. So I'm going to click Close. And how do you want to open this type of link? I'm not sure what they're asking me this for. Okay, so I'm just going to click out of that for right now. Okay, so now I want to go down to this lower left, and I want to go to Control Panel, and I want to pick Java here. And hopefully when this pops up, we're going to have a security tab here. I'm going to click on that. And that's cool. So now I have this edit site list, so I want to click on that. And here what I want to do is add the site from the lab report. And I've already copied it once, so I'm going to Control V here. And so now you see that I have added http://faculty.mc3. So that is the location that we have from the lab report. So I'm going to click OK. And I know it's saying it's a risk, but I don't care. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, not cancel, continue. And so now you notice that that site is here, is in this little box. So now I'm going to click OK. Great. So let's go back to that Apple frame. And I'll tell you what, let's just be AR about this. I'm just going to close down Firefox, start it up again. So I'm going to go down to the lower left, and then I'm going to go to Programs, Firefox. Come up here, and I'm going to paste that address in here again. So that's the applets page. And so now I'm going to come back down to Number Systems, left click on that. All right, so now I get this. And it says tap here to activate plugin. So let's hope this works. I say allow this to happen, and what I want to do is allow and remember. And if we're really lucky, we get this little thing here. It says, do you want to run this? We do want to run. And there it is. And it works. So that's awesome. So that's how we set the security for running these applets.